Hi everyone, Tom Spears here at Bob Ross Buick GMC Auto Group, and this is the 2020 2500 3/4 ton with the new tailgate. I've been here 23 years and this is by far the best 2500 I have ever seen yet. Let me show you some of the things it will do. One, we've got remote. Soft lay down. This is usual, what everyone sees when the tailgate's like this. Now we go farther. Drop this out. Now you've got 8 feet of expansion here. Plenty of room to put in your 2x4s or 4x8 sheets. Or if you've got that motorcycle you need it, push it right up against here, and all the tie downs are all over this vehicle. You also have a 110 outlet in this vehicle. Something that's really neat. If you really are tailgating, you're going to need some power. It's right here. You've also got lights throughout this underneath the railing. One here on the sides, on each side here. So now we're going to take it one more step further. Now you've got to step in. They thought of everything. Need a little help getting in, grab the handle, step in, step up. You really want to tailgate? Now you're tailgating. Here's your beverage, got a place to sit, places here now to put your speakers. Again, you're really tailgating. New for 2020 GMC 2500.